Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. Come see the car for yourself.